Hello everyone, welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I am going to share Bengali fish curry recipe or Choto Macher Sorse Posto. And if you try this recipe, I am sure you will love this fish curry. For this recipe I have used Sardine fish or Khoira Mach. You can take any other fish you like. Now first marinate the fish with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and salt to taste. Now marinate it well and rest it for some time. In this meantime, make paste of all these ingredients. 1 small size of tomato, 1 small onion and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. And in this I have soaked 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds and half tablespoon of poppy seeds. You can skip poppy seeds, but if you have it at home then please add little bit of it. It brings a very good taste. Now soak all these things for minimum 30 minutes and before making the paste add few green chilies as you required. Now make a smooth paste of all these ingredients and keep it aside. Now after this fry all the marinated fish. So for that add required oil to the pan. So here I have used mustard oil. You can use any other cooking oil you want. Now temper the oil, then fry all the fishes on medium to high flame and you have to fry it very well, and that might take 5 to 7 minutes or more or less. So you have to fry the fishes very gently as it might break. And once these fishes are fried well, take it out in a plate and keep it aside. Now remove the extra oil from the pan and add 1/4 teaspoon of black cumin seeds. Temper it well and then add the onion and garlic paste. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes and then add the tomato paste. Now cook until the raw flavors of these ingredients goes. That might take 7 to 10 minutes. And then add the mustard seeds, poppy seeds and green chili paste. Then cook for 2 minutes and add little bit of water. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. After that, by continuously stirring it, cook on medium to low flame until the raw flavor of spices are gone. And that might take 5 to 7 minutes. Now once the raw flavors are gone, add 1 cup of hot water or normal water. Here I am using normal water. And add the previously fried fishes slowly to the pan. And mix with the spices slowly. Then add some slitted green chilies and cook for 7 to 8 minutes on high flame. After 7 to 8 minutes, add half tablespoon of oil which we have extract from the pan after frying the fishes. Then cook for 1 minute on high flame and turn off the flame. Now cover and rest it for 10 more minutes before serving the Bengali fish curry with mustard and poppy seeds. Serve this fish curry with hot rice and enjoy. Try out this super easy and super tasty Bengali fish curry recipe and let me know in the comment section how it has came out. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Uttara Home Kitchen. Thank you for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.